Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to write informal letters in C1 Advanced Cambridge English exam. If you've never written any pieces of writing as an exam task, I would start with informal letters since I consider they are a bit easier in comparison with the others. Let's get started. Here is an exam task. And first let's read it. You have received a letter from your 21-year-old cousin who is about to leave university. I really don't know what to do next. I know the most sensible thing would be to look for a permanent job, but other people have said it is best to get different kinds of work experience, probably unpaid, before I decide what I want to do. And part of me fancies traveling overseas. What do you think about these ideas? Write your letter in reply, offering advice in 220 to 160 words. Now let's have a look at the structure of informal letters. First of all, we need to start with a friendly greeting, like "Hi Tom, thank you for your letter." Then we need to introduce the main topic. For example, your project about foreign customs sounds fascinating. Then let's move on to the next paragraph, paragraph 1. So here we need to deal with the first point included in the question with reasons and examples. Then comes the second paragraph. Here we need to develop our next main point with reasons and examples. As for paragraph 3, again we need to develop our final key point with reasons and examples. Then it is necessary to say goodbye and request a reply. And just to put a friendly close. That's it. Now let's move on to our letter. We are supposed to write a letter to our cousin. That's why let's just write, "Hello, my dear cousin." Then we need to include our friendly greeting. In our letter, we will write, "It is always great to receive letters from you." Then we need to introduce our main topic. According to the letter, our cousin is about to graduate, but he really doesn't know what to do with his future career. Yeah, and we need to say about it in our letter. I'm really pleased that you are almost a graduate from university. You've done great work. Honestly, I'm not surprised that you don't know exactly what to do now and are asking for advice. When I was your age, I had the same doubts as you. So, in this paragraph, we show the topic we are going to write about. Now let's start writing our first paragraph. In this paragraph, we are going to talk about getting different kinds of work experience. Since this paragraph is going to be kind of opposite to the paragraph about getting only one permanent job, we can start it by using "on the one hand." And as for the second paragraph, we can use "on the other hand." The first sentence in each body paragraph should be the topic sentence where we put our main idea. On the one hand, it's a good idea to try different occupations before landing a permanent job. Then we need to develop our idea, yeah? And in the end, we need to make a mini conclusion. Let's start writing our second body paragraph. Again, in the first topic sentence, we need to put the main idea of this paragraph. And in the following sentences, you need to develop your idea and explain what you mean. Talking about the ideal structure of body paragraphs. First of all, it should be a topic sentence where you put your main idea about this point. In the next sentence, you need to develop your idea, maybe with examples. And as for the last sentence, it should be a mini conclusion. But since we are writing an informal letter, uh, I think it is a bit easier and we can skip some parts. But anyway, don't leave anything not explained. Now only one body paragraph is left, and again, the same structure, a topic sentence, then the development, and a mini conclusion. Some more words about informal letters. Since they are informal, you can use contractions here, as well as idioms. But don't forget to include complicated grammar structures, such as modals, inversions, conditionals, wish, cleft sentences, neither nor, either or, as well as linkers. Now only one paragraph is left. That is our conclusion, in which we need to say goodbye and request a reply. Let me know what you are going to choose. If you still have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'll be glad to help you make the right choice. And in the end, we need to write our friendly close. All the best, Veronica.